Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Docs on your PC or laptop. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to open Google Chrome. Now, here we are in our Chrome. Now, I want to search for what? Google Docs, or you can go to the Google Docs page directly by searching what? Google.com. So if I search for Google Docs, it's going to show the official Google website here, which is what? docs.google.com. So if I click on it, now it's going to open my Google Docs page where I have the option to edit and make in the Google Docs page here directly. So once you are here, now when you come to the three dots here, if you scroll down here, you are going to see cast, save and share. Now when you come to the cast, save and share, you have the option that say install page as app. So I'm going to click on install page as app. So if I click on this, it's going to ask me install this page as app. You want to proceed and click on install. So this is going to install Google Docs for you. Now if I go ahead and close my browser, I can also close my Google Docs. Now when I come to my page, now when I come to my desktop, you can see I have my Google Docs app here directly, and also on my taskbar I also have the Google Docs here. So if I go ahead and double click on this, it's going to open my Google Docs for me directly, where I can format, edit all my documents here also. So that is how you install Google Docs on your PC or laptop. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. See you in another video.